High above Dubai, a window cleaner begins a journey down the Burj Khalifa. If everything goes well, it will need cleaning again before the crew has emotionally processed finishing it. The exterior contains about 26,000 glass panels. Cleaning the full facade normally takes 3 to 4 months. This is the first clue that the Burj Khalifa is not merely a tall building. It is a vertical city with an unusually demanding skincare routine. The tower rises 828 meters and remains the world's tallest building. Its 163 above-ground floors hold apartments, offices, a hotel, observation levels, restaurants, and enough distance to make the ground feel theoretical. Height is the headline. The real engineering question is how that height avoids becoming uncomfortable, inefficient, or horizontal. Begin with the wind. Wind around a simple, tall shape can create rhythmic forces that make the building sway. If they find the building's natural rhythm, tower and wind begin a duet nobody purchased tickets for. Burj Khalifa refuses to keep the beat. Seen from above, its plan forms a Y. 3 wings arranged around a 6-sided central core. Each wing buttresses the other 2, while the central core resists twisting. As the tower rises, the wings step back in a spiraling sequence. The changing shape disrupts airflow before wind can establish one powerful rhythm along the full height. The tower does not overpower the wind. It keeps changing the dance steps until the wind loses confidence. Now descend to the foundation. A reinforced concrete mat about 3.7 meters thick spreads the load. Below it, reinforced concrete piles extend roughly 43 meters into the ground. 3 wings above, deep piles below. A very tall object practicing excellent core strength. Construction began in 2004. Aligned walls and columns carried loads smoothly downward as the concrete structure climbed. In 2007, high-performance concrete was pumped from ground level to a record height of 601 meters. Imagine pushing concrete up nearly 2 Eiffel Towers through a pipe and expecting a cooperative mood. Above the concrete structure, steel completed the upper levels and spire. The telescopic spire weighs over 4,000 tons. It was assembled inside before hydraulics raised it into position. The tower effectively concealed its final height inside itself, then revealed it like the world's least subtle party trick. But structure is only half the problem. People, water, power, air, and emergency systems must travel vertically too. Burj Khalifa has 57 elevators and 8 escalators. Double-deck observation elevators travel at about 10 meters per second, while ordinary elevators reconsider their ambitions. Pressurized, air-conditioned refuge areas appear at intervals of roughly 25 floors. Water uses staged pumps rather than climbing 828 meters out of enthusiasm. Cooling the tower also creates condensation. A collection system captures it to supplement irrigation around the building. Even the air conditioning produces a side quest. Back outside, permanent maintenance units emerge from hidden garages to carry cleaning cradles down the facade. The glass is not decorative packaging. Its coatings reduce solar heat entering a building standing in Dubai's extreme climate. Every visible surface is therefore negotiating with sun, dust, heat, gravity, or wind. The tower officially opened in January 2010. Its record is impressive, but records alone explain very little. So what actually keeps the world's tallest building working? Not one miracle material, not one giant column, not the spire pretending the rest is easy. The answer is integration. The I-shaped plan manages wind and views. The buttressed core shares structural work. The setbacks control airflow. The foundations spread load. Mechanical floors break a vertical city into manageable zones. Burj Khalifa succeeds because architecture, structure, elevators, water, cooling, fire safety, and maintenance were designed as one system. The tower is not simply 828 meters of building. It is 828 meters of coordination. And somewhere near the top, a window cleaner has just discovered another panel.